Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is April 17th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is up $1.99. That's 1.08%, closed at $186.99. Post-market, we are up 36 cents at 187.35. 187.35. And guess what? Our resistance is at 187.41. Tesla is really staying under that 187.41 for now. So today, at least, we broke outside of it during the day, but came back in, and we also reached back to our diagonal support that we have been visiting since April 10th. We have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, visiting it 5 times. So we are making higher lows. The buyers of Tesla need to go a little bit higher in order to get some stocks. Let's take a look at the 1-hour chart a little bit. The first hour of the day was the strongest candle. We broke outside of our 187.41, came back in. We had gotten stochastic over 60 on that 1-hour chart for the first hour. Then the second hour, we came straight down. Third hour, we broke support, but came back in. That's a bullish sign in itself. And the candle for the first hour was a bearish candle in itself. And then we started going back up. And we just stopped shy of 187.41. Look at this here. This is pretty perfect as it goes to technical analysis. Stochastic at 69. So we have a good stochastic on the 1-hour chart. We have the MACD crossover, and we have RSI over 50, and we have the MI also. Seeing all of this, we could be having a move tomorrow on the 1-hour chart. Check for 187.41. That's all you need to check on that 1-hour chart. If we come back to the daily chart, on the daily chart, we don't have a good buy signal yet. If we have a candle that closes above 187.41 tomorrow, we might not get stochastic. So then, based on our rule, it would be a more risky move to get in. I'm just saying, let's take a look at the stochastic 34. MACD, we have the crossover bearish, and we have one line of MACD below 0. We have RSI below 50, and the MI is also bearish. So just know that if we close above 187.41 and we don't have stochastic, this is a riskier move. And then we are also going to have the earnings call on Wednesday afternoon after the closing of the market. The reaction of the stock market will only happen Thursday morning. So we have the U.S. Treasury that will change the way the EV tax credits are applied. So Rivian, Volkswagen, Nissan, and others will lose the full 7,500 EV tax credit. Tesla, the base Model 3 of Tesla, will have its credit cut in half. So at least it doesn't go down to 0. This is giving a little bit of an advantage to Tesla. And also we have Renault's CEO that says that Tesla's recent further price cuts should be taken as a warning for other automakers amid what some see as an EV price war, says Fabrice Cambolive. And Fabrice also mentioned it's clear that this is a challenge, starting with the cost side of things. It's a warning that we are looking at because Tesla is creating its own batteries. It really has a cost advantage there. Also because of Tesla's culture, they are improving all the time. And I remember when they started doing the Model S, they were saying that after 1 or 2 years of doing the Model S, that the cars was 100 pounds lighter because they found more efficient ways of building the structure using less and less metal. In terms of culture, Tesla definitely has an advantage. And also because of its vertical integration, this is another advantage. And the CEO says, we will analyze country by country, market by market, which level of competitiveness we need to stay in the game. Staying in the game. He is wondering if he can stay in the game. This is quite big. And Elon Musk mentioned that, no, we are not starting a price war. We're just lowering prices to enable affordability at scale. So Elon wants to make his car more affordable so that he can sell more, so that he can attain its mission sooner. I tend to believe him on that. Also, Tesla is facing a backlash from employees at Gigafactory Shanghai who are complaining about their performance bonuses having been cut reportedly because of an accidental death at the factory earlier this year. What is this? Some Tesla China workers have been voicing their concerns on Chinese social media and even on Twitter, which is officially blocked in the country. Please pay attention to the performance of frontline workers at Tesla's Shanghai factory being arbitrarily deducted. So apparently it's not uncommon in China to have compensation reduced because of a safety accident, but it is generally linked to a safety bonus, not a performance bonus. I guess they are receiving a bonus when there is no accidents, but it's weird that when a worker dies, then everybody else gets a cut on that bonus. So I don't know enough here to comment further. Let's take a look at QQ a little bit. So it's maintaining itself well above support at 313. What's happening with the VIX? VIX is coming down further. So down 0.13. We are at 1694 on our way to 1658. So the stock market should be loving this. Indeed, Dow Jones is closing a little bit higher, not much, but just inching higher. S&P 500, the same thing. NASDAQ, yes, inching higher a little bit. Let's take a look at gold. So gold is taking a hit. Yeah, taking a hit. And now we have lost stochastic over 60. So if you are in gold and you want to trade that, or if you own some gold, it could be the time to sell soon. If we close below 1556, let me jot this down for you. Silver, silver dropping too, was a little bit late on this, but it's following what's happening with gold. We still have a good stochastic with silver. It's not too bad, but we broke this short-term support at 861. Bitcoin dropping a little bit also, resting on our diagonal support, and Ripple also not doing too well at the same time. Stochastic is lost. So when stochastic is lost on something, then I find a support below which I am going to sell. So right now, this support would be right here at 0.498. So this is where I will get out. I am giving it a little bit of a leeway because it's possible that we go down to 49.8 and we bounce on it. So I'm just giving it a little bit of a chance to come back up. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you